Hey, what's up, everybody? So basically, um, I know I talked about it in my previous video, but Viewpoint.com. So basically, my earnings are $20.19. My trade score is at 9,235. I have a survey. I'm gonna explain to you what happens. So, what happens basically whenever your trade score goes up to around 9,000, where you basically earn more. Um, for each survey that you take. So there's a survey, there's basically a survey waiting for me. So I'm gonna give you an example how much I earn from this one survey. If access, it's just coming from the board. It's pretty random. It's just simple surveys. You can just pretty much answer, however way you want. Which activities do you frequently do on the computer? Make phone calls, this. You have your landline? Do you have a landline telephone in your residence? Yes. Do you have or use any medical devices? Reading glasses? Walking cane? This? Do you want to take a restaurant? Go to? Nope. The following weapons do you currently own? Unavailable. Text. Just surf the web. Watch videos. Read emails. Regular text message. Balance do you need to have? ESPN, Fox, Discovery, and Channel. How many frequent travel or activities? Just simple, regular questions. Answer them. Detergent, occasionally. Alright, for this survey, I earned about 10 cents. Now, for other surveys, for example, I'm going to go to my dashboard, my trade score. So basically, once you achieve a trade score of 9,000 or better, that will place you in the top 10% of KDV members, and means you'll earn more for each answer. So basically, the previous time that I received the survey, I earned about 88 cents. So, give or take, depending on how you answer these questions, they'll provide additional more questions. You can tell because they'll have a time on how long it'll take for you to finish the survey. So but once you're finished, you'll earn more money. So depending on the length of the survey. So but you have to reach a trade score of 9,000 or better for you to be eligible for that. That doesn't mean that even if you don't have 9,000, there are some occasions where you get surveys, and depending on how you answer those survey questions, they'll provide more. They'll provide more questions for you. So let's say after that you earn about 38 cents, depending. Like I said, depending on the survey. So yeah, it's simple, easy to do. I'll be honest with you, this took me about 6 months worth to actually just doing surveys on the side. So this isn't anything that you'll make money as soon as possible because you have to wait until you reach $15 to cash out. But this is something you can do on the side. This is basically free money, answering simple surveys. If you guys like this video, hope you guys enjoy this video as well. You guys are interested in signing up, I'll leave my link I'll leave my referral link in the description down below if you guys are interested in signing up. Hope you guys got value from this video. But next time.